To search by image on Google Pixel 11, I think the easiest way to do so is by using Circle to Search. So essentially, you can find any image that you want to use as a reference that should be used to search for the source, for example. And then you can activate Circle to Search by pressing and holding your finger on the navigation handle at the bottom of the screen if you use gestures for navigation, or the home button if you use 3 buttons navigation instead. So after holding your finger on the handle or the home button for about 2 seconds, you should be able to activate Circle to Search, and then you can select the area that should be used as a reference. It doesn't have to be very precise. The Circle to Search should still be able to capture the whole area that you probably want to use as a reference. In case it is selected incorrectly, if you need to adjust the reference, you can grab by any of these corners over here, these white corners, to adjust the reference size. And there we go. Then we have Google search results, and here we can find some visual matches. You can also go for exact matches if you're looking for something very specific, and then we have all of these different websites which have that image used. And that's pretty much it. And actually, before I end this video, of course, you don't have to, or you should not be really limited to, for example, some websites or something. You should also be able to use apps on your phone to use your, let's say, pictures as a reference as well. So let's say if I use the Photos app over here, and if I, let's say, choose this picture over here, I can still activate Circle to Search, and then I can use that picture over here as the reference, and I can use it to search in Google. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.